Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, cruise control, trip computer, ashtray, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable